Moritse Motefe mo reditse doctor.
Mamedi dumelang hleng ke le dumedisa kaofela mo le leng ngwana teng. Le dumedisa ke Dr. November ka seqo ka nnete dumelang. Page ya ka ke le live yona ke Pastor November and Victorious Faith Ministry. Facebook ya ka ke Pastor November and Victorious Faith Ministry ke live le TikTok ke Pastor November ka Dr. November re live o tsona di le pedi.
Thank you, Doctor.
Page ki Dr. November. Pastor November ya Victorious.
Okay.
I mean ya Facebook ki Pastor November and Victorious Faith Ministries.
Ya TikTok?
Ya TikTok ki Dr. November ka Pastor November.
No, ke go paletse nka fo wena Moritse Motefe mo gona go bona Dr. November fa re tlotla le ne ka fa go Motefe mo tse wa sia Doctor o siame be tsa batsa bile sentle
se mona no sharp
ha ke siame
sharp no ke sharp ka Alice no ke sharp
no Doctor ke le pele ka la ka Mantaga Mondays go ke te mo tsena mo TikTok ya Doctor ke bona bua ka dadi nyemo Doctor ka tla bua ka no gompieno no very interesting Doctor the topic you bua ka yone I think it was about if it's mo lenyalo mo marriage but re mo relationship
ya manta
and then nna ga mane ke le mphobe ke itshebela kae mara re mo relationship is it also cheating ka ya is it cheating ke batla ba nkane mo ke batla re mo ke batla re bua ka yo doctor is it called cheating ka is it called go sheba ya Doctor
Hi, Mama Betty. Boy, you were to go to topic you in the powerful.
That's why you think no, we need to bring it up.
Yeah, no, it was a very, very powerful topic and very sensitive. But about basketball in Kakamoya.
Yes.
Basketball in Kakamoya when I'm Karatang. That topic was very dangerous. That, but I can mind
okay,
because I mean it's something that is happening on a journey. When Uma Metsi Mutuka Blelo Rana Mutaka one cheat, I'm moving to 3 months. Renali 3 months mutu. So it's something that is happening. Leka mandi hane ruba ka ona ne ruba because ke not lenka to pick at mandi because ke
something that's happening.
And you know what is painful mpo. This thing is a very very a serious problem and mama medi lenkutlwe and yena ona ka etsa lenja tshena mare ka nnete go pahleng le tsebe nna ke se budise mo eng tsona ka mpona jwa ka pa ke meti se budise mo eng ke mpo nna ke le nna ke assistant
co-host
so let's get nkuka ka moya because re buile ka ona this topic on Monday. Maposa for me on a serious note I personally not to yaka batho ba bang but nna personal ha ke tsebe re fihla jwang tabeng ya re nke le cheating I don't know.
Okay,
I don't know why re nka ile cheating because we all know hore ha ke like ile senyele tsena wa bona le wena o le senyele le se nna ke wena o motho wa mme nna ke monna both of us re a sheba we are still looking and I you kopana le wena that doesn't mean you are the right person.
You're the right person.
Hasn't mean you get my point.
Ya hutla
Luena that doesn't mean hore o kopana le nna
you're the right person. Nzike sheba
the only thing is alankana ko ha batho ba kopana ke eng ke hore fela ke tlabe ke nahana hore you are the right person. Because of nowadays re attracted ke di looks re tetswa ke melong di haribua so
hona ba di action ka reng
ka re go tsene ha ke o sheba ke bona ka mahlo ke bona le the right one now ha re bua ke re tlabere ke kopana le wena ke ba attracted nyana se re change di phone ne re exchange ka di phone nne njwale se re qala re qoqa ne then ha re qala re qoqa ke mane mo ke fila ngore mara ka re ke ya ka di wa bona now se re qala re a jola now it's a relationship now the reality of the truth when I'm apostle o ja batho mogemo ba ke ba understand mogemo ba tlo enka negative but net is be le gore ha ke jwala le wena that doesn't mean se go kgethile gore mosadi wa ka
okay
ka mo o sole monna o monna wa
maybe give me call doctor
ha ke le relationship le wena so langa
relationship
ha se be lenyalo ha se lenyalo ha se lenyalo mama it's just a relationship and relationship le lenyalo those are two different things because marriage ke silicon commitment it's a commitment now but when really ka hara relationship re ntse re batlana maphoso ke yona ntse re batlana now ke batla go qetela tabena let's say ha ne ko bona ke na no o yena because of the looks number 2 how so bua ke be ke nahana or no you are now ke be se ke fall in love but the reality go ke fall in love lo wena but you are not my wife I'm not your husband. Kapa, I'm not your husband. You are not my wife. Do I make sense? Now, here's the thing. Hana kwense tsamaya. Ne? O thole hore se re jola no ke mjolo. But ke man mo ke realize hore ba bang ba batho ba stop wa ke hore I realize hore this person no man ke yena. Then ha realize hore this person here. You now stopping.
Okay.
Now problem is you when asoka wena usoka ba kisoka ki realize kapa kisoka ki lwena soka nketsa hore ke bona hore ke be convinced you are the right person. Now when usoka kisoka ke ba convinced or you are the right person, what you am kinze ke tlotsela pele ka o sheba. Hey, dangerous. It's dangerous.
Hey, no, dangerous. Hey.
Now, the problem kore runa ha re qata go fitla station se ne sa mjolo ono wa hore because runa ke tsebe runa re sebetsa jwang hore ha re qala re jola runa is a commitment e tla runa mjolo is a commitment. That is what thola hore now se ko lwantsha hey ke bona o sheba mo ma ke bona o bua le mama
ke shebile phone wa go bona message o tsena go te love ya
ke te one cheater what the reality
e mo mjolo
re a sheba papa
no what's go something very serious.
I'm telling you that, and I'm telling you now here's the problem. Runa reetsa so now re a jola la wena ne and then o umplele tswan rata le na sekile the biggest problem mpokena ke a hore now se kunga o le partner ya ne now ha ke qetile ha ke sa batla hore o ye pele lo batla and kana go tseo dintho tsohle tso di batla ke hlola le go provide ka tsona kapa motho o mmatla ke hloleha ho ba yena ha o utlwa ke hloleha ho ba yena motho
simply means doctor what do you mean na ke bona klare ke create everything
yes
ke batla o le sa tlhono ya kae but wena lo tso di batla ga o di create
ha ke di create mo go wena
so santse no go sheba
and now how battle ke sheba mara ha ke wa hana umpa the kind of a person ke mmatla ke tla be go boleletse re nna ke batla mosadi ya respect ke batla mosadi ya humble ke batla mosadi ya re le ha kwatile a control
temper enga ya gagwe
ke batla mosadi ya tsolang now o bodi etsa dintho tseo but how qetile o hana ho ba
nna ke lo sheba because o re bona le klare wena so le
wa bona le wena is a woman ka bontsha tsara nna baby ke rata motho so ha qetile ke be ke hana ho ba yena motho yo matla but kana go tseo when jole wena o qalela o batlana le motho ke a o lwantsha okay doctor ke a o lwantsha go lwantsha anjida motho ka na mo wanjida because restopa o sheba mohlang o le convinced ka the person motho thing I want go that is why le batho ba nyalaneng o qadile ho decide ho nyala ka moraro be convinced hore mari yona ke
this is the one
le ba nyetseng ba ina bana ba jona ba tšhentšha batho o fihlella ko fela le motho ba
la ukati
wa bona so but runa ha re batli fihle mo re sentse re nka mojolo e le
era o bile wa ntshita mo mojolo
Hey boyfriend ka ntshita.
Sasa kana kwa ke mo phutile. Phutile mama.
Now the engwe o qetela e ke bolela batho ka yona ke yona. Re protector re protector di partner tsa rona. Ka o ba boulela. Not ka o bapala di role.
Ke le pelo ka wena ka bua ka speed ka o se bua gore wa taboga doctor o tsantse o relax o doctor o bue hana wa taboga doctor re protector
di partner tsa rona ka o boulela re sebedisa boulelo but not role. 2 re protector di partner tsa rona re disketsa batho ba bang mare be re hana o bate batho bano bao di partner tsa rona di ba batlang maro ba sa batla tsamaya ha o qetile mo boulela o boulela o batla jola o batla ba mang ka mama
la ka bua ka phone ke mang
motho
ke mo bulela
batla o qetile wa o mo protector ka o boulela ba ra mo protect ka jela se feng but ha re bua ka protect partner rankata re bua ka you protect the partner le ka tsela ya o mo fa dintho tsa di hloka tsa di batla
play a role.
We don't do that in that you go manyalong the relationship ha re protect the partner ka di role. If I make you happy in that, if get a into the battle, if get some let's it's a part of protect a partner or ask about some ask lo jola because I ke fa dinto tse di hlokang tse ka we isang kantle. But runa we don't do that. Ke hana ka dinto tsena ha ke o fe tsona but a qetile ha o solo di batla ha ke ba tlo tsamaya lo di batla.
Marna ke fane ka tsona. Au, doctor. Mara ke hane ka tsone nne.
Wena hana o hana ka tsona. Wa hana o fana ka tsona.
Ha go ne tsona.
Ha o mphe tsona. But o qetile ha se ke
tsona. Wa lwana. Ke poulelo ke eng
ke poulelo go dia ditafole go etsa eng ke o rwaka ha o khotsofale
go tlhatšitse no sia.
So that is the biggest problem boss. And we are still going to have a lot of problem ba re tlanteng ya batho ba lo ba re shabanang. That is why not this time ke decide lo tla ka strategy se jwalo. Now ke decide lo ke the right pick ke sebedisa jwalo. Now, I can't do you must never think or so.
No, I'm not my routine. Now date ya kana wa bona the right pick ke agree ya date no ke ya bona di jong ke akona now ho tlotla season 2 mo jwale ke be ke date le motho no ke tswa le motho yes ke spenda nako le motho and I ke spenda nako le motho that doesn't mean se ke mo choositse o tla no sheba she
ke agree batho ba tla ba ntse ba joina ba ke ntse ke date ke ya di jone batho then the one a tla ba sebeleditse a winne pelo ya ka le nna mohlomong ke winne pelo ke mo re tlo ba re etsa decision right on now isn't you na re fela ha o soka ke ha o so winne pelo ya hao ha o soka ke etsa next mare o so mpitsa motho ha o ile ha o sa batla next le wena ha o so winne pelo ya hao ha so etse next bophelong ba ha isa le ke tla ka camping chair ibile ga winne lotulele ena re mauta mararo e dudisa le a bohloko camping chair te bata qetile se ke re umuntu wami ya eng muntu wami ya eng
motho bona tsene ka baikinyana masala ha tana no kwa ka ke mo ga ka ke mo mosadi wa ka ba ka next kana o se ke gona le dating
and the problem ma pause the reason why we feel the responsibility I think one of the reasons ke ona here because se ke kelela ka simple la hore re qetile o monaka le wena kelela o bulela ke mosadi wa hao therefore ha o sa feel wa etsa anything o bapala di role because o sompona jela ka mosadi se re controller I can understand batho ba se ba dula sam because they are different batho ba se ba dula sam ha le se le dula sam le dudisa yeno ke nka jala ka ke quote mantwa Bishop Dr. Mgadi ana re it's a mini marriage
okay
it's a mini marriage
le committee le for le tla dula
le committee
le emetse commitment
yen ya o dula sam e se wela almost tabeng ya lenyalo shorta fela le tso formality mini marriage now ke yona e re ke ra reng e mong le mong jwalo sa qalella o raka protector e mong a ka etsa le teng ga mo protect ka mo boulela mo feel the responsibility because still la le dula sam you must remember so long home affairs le so you home affairs le gomo iso ka ka batla ka thapo ba reng kwe baleng at least ka ba gomo ba leile ropo kiela ba tla ka ropo
aba tsabe ba go ilata Moretse go tla tsametse ke tla le Dr. November semele bo robedi ka tukile uri ya bo robongwe la kana tshware le go yana 069 846 5476 069 846 5476 kana tota ka re tshwara le ka mogala mo go 071 3949560 motho mo lona ho tie mo situation sa gore ono se o le mo relationship motho a re no o se wa ntshitela kana go tseo ha se the right one for him o tso batla kantla no wa ntshitela ha ke mo sheba gore ka mo bona go wa jola kantle ka ke tshwantse ke dire Dr. Molaetsa mo go tswa go pulane a re yo topic ya today e hita tsotlhe a re ke kile ka utlwa a re ke kile ka di utlwa a re ke kile ka di utlwa di topic mara ya today yon ha e hita tsotlhe a re go novi o re bula matlo ke pulane mo Rockland a re every day o re bula matlo doctor
wow
a re ya today yon
ona le mothere ke zin mo TikTok are the biggest issue we have in relationships ne is waiting to benefit ne offering anything waiting the biggest issue we the relationship is waiting to benefit ne without offering anything in return.
Meaning
expect no benefit.
No, something is coming.
Without offering anything.
That's true. That's very true, doctor. Mona someone Dr. Ware, oh Dr. November le mpoza le bula matlo every day. A gompieno teng ke itutile something. A mo relationship ke tsantse ke shebe pele. A kore ka mkhotla sanga teng it sounds like in le motho ona re ha tsena tla rona.
All of us we are doing that. All of us we are doing that. Ka fela rona re kena sense le commitment so boulela so bilo katane le motho so bilo sa batle di phone tsa di etseng so le
ha phone la so sheba kema tsa kone ke bone
now that here's the problem my boss I don't say ke into WhatsApp number
ke 069 846 5476
it happened
069 846 5476 okay doctor ba batla phone ke WhatsApp ba batla go phone ke 071
ba batla go phone mamedi 071
394 9560 yes ke yone doctor o mong are so doctor o ring entleke re cheat until re clear ba re naganang ke bone
asi cheat
okay
tlo bolele mistake ya rona ke eng mistake ya rona we have 3 steps if I'm not mistaken tse tshwantseng di nkwe ya ka molao
okay
number 1 maphosa o tshwantse re etse date ke ntwe nawe ya dijo without intimacy do it make sense go ya ka molao ne re tshwantse we go for date without intimacy ne then ha qetile ke man mo jole re qala njole e ba relationship re jola ne now and then I qetile from relationship ya lenyalo ne now it just that runa re qala ka intimacy njolo le intimacy re kopanya ka fela there's no date with hari date an ke mjolo isenze le ki all in one isenze di kopang now that is why now has a if let's stage so go owner o soluwa le wena o feel or wow but the reality of the truth hasn't it momamedi hasn't it because you know what is painful my boss and they think again or about robe heady pelo re be re ne re njolo ke pandemic but the reality of the truth I can think hore a kry re a jola se bile re ile for intimacy se re ile mtafazone. Now the problem ke hore what if Hauson Rat exactly that topic in Rebecca on
last week, yes.
What if Hauson Rat? What if Hauson Rat? Because the problem ko re le yone ha ona mohlanri etsa manyalo I mean the relationship mo re gona go bolela na nnete re baby wa bona at least ke na le wena but so rate ha re etse. So what if wena jole ka ke batla go bulela ka wena ka ntu wena Hauson Rat? And the sad part could we don't even wait for that stage where kibe sure one rat ke mamela so se bua re etsa jolo man the relationship in manyalo ke mamela ho re fela one rat se ke re no
kwa ka no sha
ayo ile na ke ba
bogle ha ba clinics.
So that is the biggest problem etsa gore today re be re feel gore re a chitelwa re be re feel gore le runa batho ba runa ba tshepagale but potso kore what if because ona le possibility gore nka tla wena be ke nana ke tlo rata
continues
ke tle ka di intention tse right. Do you make sense mapo?
It makes sense.
Ke tle ho wena because ke a o rata kapa I thought ke tlo rata
ke nagane ka o rata
ke qete kgwedi ya bobedi and now ke feel hey this person ke sukola mo rata. Now the sad part gore re tshaba lo blelana no ore motho mo dimne ke nane re ka wa bona tsona tsa tsetsa ke mane mo ke tlo beya ke tla mentse o le teng mare ntse ke sheba the reason why ke sheba because hona le nnete re sa batle mo ibua ore no mapoza ha ke soka ke ba sho I mean ke sokola go rata. Now se re etsa eng now se ke sheba but in my mind when I show I mean in your mind when I show November kwa na the reason why ntse ke sheba ke obane ke ne ke na no re ke tlo rata but ke go and now ke tsaba o bolela re mpho ha ke gone o rata so ke kopa ke lo sheba so ke tletsa I'm forced to sheba ke na lo and a bilo and a bile ba re bana o bana ba tshwana le rona ba folang ka speed o tsena le batho ba folang ka speed o re ke a o rata wa musuna o sa bila bona bo malume tlar ibile jwale le ke la re intimacy la di tlo tsa ka moreng
a ke nna
jalo sa bona le di kgomo di kena go re sa ba le pitse o sa bila bona le ngwana tlo tshwana le wena go rona le batho ba dreamang gae
a re tlo sa lona ka nko
le kopane beke fela ha le ke la re tshebeletsa ka moreng a nta to sa bona le ngwana le bana ba tlo tshwana le lona.
Doctor, I love Novitle, yo, cause no, I know what I want. I know what I want. I know what I want. Doctor, when I was talking about you, man, ke go ka utlwa Dr. November buane ma go sa ba go le go mo bolelle ba mametse ba na tsa mo shebana mo ha ma mo le dikitseni ere ka phosho ke gona no a bula matlo ngwana fa ba ntle ke mara ya sene ase le doctor
ene bohloko because a gre tsaba lo bolelle re ka mdu ma swe o tlo ba irritated ha ro wa o tshwara
wa ke be se ga Dr. Moletso mong a re the right pick number 1 it close stopper taba ya hore ka ke bona o skemiwe pelo ya ha mara ke tlhaloganye o kopantse menetsa ga doctor o kopantse mara ge ha ke tlhaloganye sentle na right pick na go na re dira eng are at times we enter into relationship under false hope dreams
Peter
hot at all time at times we enter into relationship under false hope. Are false hope, are dreams, desire, and when we find whatever we were looking for, then we start with a guilt trip. I'm a guilt trip, I'm a guilt trip. I about claim to be loving someone, well by saying I'm sorry. It's not you, but it's me. It's not you, but it's me. I see you love me, but kidnap program.
You deserve better. You know,
kidnap problem. Problem is me. Are dumela ke kopa ho botsa ke na le 10 years le motho. So ke na le 10 years le motho ka so ka moreng so ka mo ka mogadi le motseo o butuang jolla. So le nna ke tla mo chitela gen ano ha re tennis ha bua doctor rona ke relationship ka pa ke marriage mara ke gona la ka re ke relationship
mara ha re ke na le motho ke relationship
ka motho ha re ke na le husband ha doctor go bona la doctor di bitse ka speed doctor gona le voice note tlo re tse ka bona go fela.
Hello, Pastor. Yo. Yo, aska wangin sa stress. Wara tapu itu rantle murutira venda. Wali Suzanne motona. Thank you Muruti.
Ile ga doctor tapo ka ba go go shiteng.
Go ti tapo e.
Tapo ile ya kgomo. Tapo sa mi o re se kgomo ka mo.
Ka tapo. Bo malume ba tla ka tapo la ba re. Ga maneti ga re je ka mo khwane tapo ga go mo re tsile nyametse ka bopaki
ba go khomisile mara ka paki tapo ke e teng tle ka tapo doctor go botsa hore ene re tle ga yona mara ne re batla go ne re se ga se ka dare ke re bua doctor bare but ntate Moruti le rato keng kganti e kae ntho ya love at first sight le rato keng.
Okay, love at first sight maybe it's all ne it is something that is there wabona but solanka la le ke la rata but solanka le soka le fihla dinyalo intse le mjoro doesn't matter le ratana le rato le teng but there's no marriage.
House na marriage
ke mjoro
intse le mjoro
so it doesn't matter le ratana ga kae
doctor tlo batse motheo dumela all right
061 mameli ke ona mohala 061
069 ya phone call ke 071
ya call
okay 071 394 9560 ke ona ga ngwana mo tsama tfm lo rontesa mo go yone bo 071 394 9560 nletse se gape wena mo tsama tfm re kgone go e tshwara re kgone go bua ka yona ba re doctor ke na le 2 years le motho wa ka we always go out partying together. We always have dinner together at restaurants almost every week. But when it comes to the club or the intimacy, we have it. Sometimes I even forget that she is my girlfriend. Yeah. I behave like she's my younger sister. We play together.
There's something short down. Nante short down. I get to be it can never be, it's not fun. And only yes, non spicy see because number one, if root one of the thing highly intimacy about bar connector.
Yes.
Unstoppable. For
doctor.
Intimacy about
bar connector.
Kayona. Unstoppable. That is why Babang, the way ba connecting that thing, ba khona o tshwana le Moses, ba etsa sa Moses.
Mole.
Lo atle le difubetu. Motho o jetsa Moses na le tshile. Ana nkile lere. Ona le ba sa tishweng le ke le kwa. Ma phosa bona nkutla ma. So if bang ba khona spend nako mara ba fihla mo e bilore
e bana le mathata
ba struggle no something
is wrong.
Ha ba shebelele ke freedom ha ba shebelele ke freedom ga kana ina tlhoko bosiu every Friday
9 o'clock
ha ba shebelele ke mono ke bua ka tsona straight
doctor
lore ba phamisa standard jwa
all right more radio doctor re tla di bona ka freedom ba yo o mo ga re dumela nna ke na le motho but one le are ke na le motho one but le motho yenwa wa itse doctor ke na le motho one le motho yenwa so maybe teng le ka re ke sa bitsa le matho all right tle ke bona are one thata ene o yenwa are one thata ene na ke na motho man o tlhalosa batho are ke na le motho but no ke a utlwa doctor ke a utlwa a ke re ona le motho ona
ana le
all right
okay
mare yene mo go ena hana motho
yo
wa utlwa doctor
yo
ke tlhalosa sentlana
yo
ke na le motho mare
ha ke na ye
so wo le one rata and la ka morata
ole
and ha ke na mo
mare ke na le mo
wa utlwa
blind no ke tlhabogang it's tricky but you know why e gutlela kae hape bo usbarun especially basadi ba na le ntho tlo ba shapang tate and Jesu Kristo tlo kopana le bona ba ntse ba solla ba ntse ba batlana le ntho eo dirana Jesu tlo tla moramotho o tlo le thola ntse le solla
le tsela go di botla
why because basadi most of the time mamedi yana ka re bomme ba ka nkoko aba tsibi hore bona not all of them but has ba basadi bohle ba tsebang hore yena priority ke eng a focus priority you know priority. Now priority ke eng to ye leng priority when as a woman are tlele bontate re a tlo bona but are focus o bomme because ntwena ya hore basadi ba di batle ka ofela ke yona tlo thola hore o dutse le yena just because a ja di benefit
Dr. Serious
but le rato le kwana mara ho yena o dutse le yena because a ja di benefits because if o rata yo feel hore yena o mo feel why you dutse le motho sa mo feeling but una le yane so it means o dulitse ke di benefits that is the problem abasadi ba bangata ntate hore ba dula le batho ka bakala di benefits mara hatsi ba hore ha morata now by etang one ba frustrate batho bana ba dula le because if you don't love the person o batla di benefits o yana ntate wa mo safarisa motho because mothia ba tla go please mothia o rata mpo he will or she will do everything to please you only to find out to please motho sa morati mpa wa yo ntho bohloko gore when but o butieno wa no o tlo thola hore skepselo wa za
yena doctor o dira everything
mara yetsa sama
motho o na le
motho somewhere now ntesa pambasadi ke yona yeno ya hore ha ba tse bore bona ke ntse ba di batla ka ofela ba di batla ka ofela ba tla ba le tsona ka ofela ba tla ba le o butadi wa di fuba le di potomani ba tla ba le o butuelo yana le kole
smart again
ba tla ba le o butana ya mo fanchele ya mo sponsorang ka charity that is the reason it's on basadi ba be miserable priority they don't know
and last week doctor if we ka touch again o pula last week re bua ka matho ba reng o mong are le rato la ka le ko if not to sing na re research kwa marena ko research
marata motho kwa
you see so because of she's benefiting something what benefit
because the question could why some you because of
because of benefit
or rata yan so why you supply so it cannot what you say the benefits
mara doctor I feel like of osinyetsa motho ona go dutsing le
painful that
yena o bona ka mogwano wo kwa ka mara hali yo le
it's painful and in turn ke ne re ntse re ba mo gona taona jwala re fihla batho se released insure he banna se le dinkutse velte ma mamamedi banna se le dinkutse velte bo di ba le aka boya ba teng no ai mamamedi
asa se trat asa le se sala trat
re dinkutse velte mamedi because re tsitwa a ho o tswa go ene bitswa ka nneke wa tswa o itse go ene bitswa ka nneke ka nneke ke go yenang le masiba marmolale ha ina nix e bitswa ka nneke e tsotse molale ena le musiba bo ka ofela
mara mo tshamo mo
so banna ba bangata se re le di ka nneke no re go tsena tse sina masiba molale mmamedi o bane re fedile
doctor wala le voice note go ka fa
Good evening, Pastor November. Good evening, Gift. Pastor November, I want to ask you a personal question. Okay, the right pick, ne? You are dating, every time you are going to date someone, ne? And then at the end you get the right person. I'm talking now about you, Pastor November.
Yes.
You get the right person. You think maybe that one is the right person. You choose that person. Okay, you're going on with that same person. But for 1 year, after 1 year, you are together. After that year, you are together, then you found out this is not the person that I was supposed to to have, because people are changing. People are changing. People are pretending. What are you going to do? Thank you, it's Amanda.
Yeah, very powerful. Ne? This is very powerful, Amanda. Thank you so much for question here, Amanda. But you know, entire date, that is all no do over to taba date. Katati linki ki gwara musadi mumalo kwa. She's a lady, amotlachena. So ya mugwara kine kitwa imisaga ba ikikabata ki mutule because na imisa mpika kule haim. Obwa kiri if nego tuzuena negito unyala obi my wife. I don't know. I cannot do that because I have my my
husband.
boyfriend.
No, boyfriend. Okay.
Oh, you are in a relationship or no? It's just a date.
Oh.
Are we at dating? I've got I have somebody.
I've got somebody. Yes.
We are on a date.
On a date. Simply means how much are not are you in a relationship or no?
I don't know. We are on a date. Now, about continue number. Date. High grades or rotibe mood. Spending time le mood. How grades or rotibe mood. Tomorrow grades or really idea. An idea nyana. I get one good. There's a difference between knowing the person and to have an idea.
Idea about the person.
About the person. You are a sort of master, but only at least in yana or kemutu ya joanya. Then, Keman mo decide tamore. Sena se ukisi bonanga lisona. Kia hona na osimamela. So now kia pili deiti handling ke mosebetso deiti e re fa chance ya hore re gone ho ba le light nyana ka motho o la o ke twa motho because it's difficult ho re ka tse ba batho but deiti re thusa hore at least to be le nakwanyana le no ka mra hore ha se qetile o ka di right people a ke rona jole ntse ke di dating one day and a ke buile bona ha na go ntse tsamaya now ke tlo spenda nako jwale ka ye tsamaya ke spenda nako le yona ke tlo ipata e tlo ba life ka everybody ka ba itse okay now ha bolele Amanda ke tlo motseba motho mara ho tlo mpha chance hore ke be le
an idea
nyana hore okay ke motho ya danso ke motho ya behave so do it make sense my boy now yes the thing ya o qetela Amanda ya o qetela taba ya lenyalo kapa ya commitment it's a risk. Taba ya lenyalo
or commitment
kapa relationship committing ourselves to it's a risk. I cannot say we cannot say how so much you say today ali right begging yetla no change kapa goding yetla kapa selemo se tlang but bohle ba qakweng ke batho ba bona bane ba saba bane ba hanor ba right mara batho ba changing. So Amanda, in short, I cannot say anymore bravely make you know after a year the same person no but what change and that is why only the divorce so there's a stopping because but
break up everything
break up ingata boss
Dr. what's going to try to mini marriage no work in doctor sometimes you stay with a person that you are more hal mo tlhaletsa go nyalana hale etse le jara le kgaogana e dilwa ke eng bo o dula le motho le dula bo 2 years le monate le a se le nyalane le monate le nyalane ya matata ke bona tlhaga matata ha re matata a tlhaga bo a tlhaga matata mantsela motho wa change eng di habits la go change but hantle le mo mini marriage go sna letse
90% ya manyalo a ana le di attack satana ba tle lenyalo ka pula ka ofela 90% ya manyalo a ka ra di attack and one of the thing is dangerous akira re nyalana re na le these things about white wedding white wedding is to attract people but amongst all those people baba attract them on a lead enemy now you bring your enemy or bato bona achievement kapa bato bona happiness ya now ke mane mo batho ba qalang ba sebetsetsa meriana ba re lawyer batho ba robala le spiritual husband ka mra o ranyalwe o sana le ntho robala le ena and ha tsebi re dangerous o sana le ntho le ntate o sana now ke problem ya pele e constant ya bobedi ntho e constant ke ya hore batho ba ngata ba qata nyalana motho sa fila hore ntho na e batla go ithotse ona na lenyalo le fella mohlang a qatang go kinya ring le mohlang a qatang ba qatang betsa di step tsa le di utara tsa sex di batle ka di sutu tse tshweu di rate rutlo
ke celebration
hape ke nana ke bona ba re discourage sutu tsa bona di kgolo mana ke tsiwa batho ba nyana ka sutu tse kgolo kapa tailor di ba sabotage motho o tailor le tsona di ka o sokodisa tailor o fitla o tlisa lapi rokele brugo le ba a re be mo e batla le gore ka Saturday tsa nyala ro tla o ithotse o tle ka 9 o se ga o fitla ka 9 ibile ko ne ke na o botsang kana lapi la o le jwa kana metirelo so se rokela fela o rompolo
o posa ene fela o tlhae ba
no ya bobedi ke yona ntho people batho ba nagana lenyalo ke that way to it kanti lenyalo that
celebration
it was just a one day celebration lenyalo ke di running dintho tse le tlo di
day to day and the journey
ke lona lenyalo now batho ba ngata and ba ba maphosa ba betswa ke yona ntho eo o thola gore motho jwa lo fila gore now ke nyetswe so o tshwantsa relax a sa tsebe re now today jwa le ka nyetswe ko hona mo tshwantse ga tlo qalella o sebetsa jwa ke hlola ke re marriage it's a business e runwang every day motho FM it's a business e runwang every day that is why na le batho ba tlang every day when we are the company ka ofela ke di business tse runwang every day tse runwang ke runa batho ba ka ramanyalo ba failang go rana manyalo a bona mara ba lo sebetsa di company every day but not a sebetsane le lenyalo la every day so ke yona ntho re shapang re faila manyalo a rona because re sebetsane le ona o thola re ha ntse le jola ha le kopana di ja fatse o ja fatse mmamedi no ho sona le alang ka hloho e mola ka lehlaba mokokotlong ha kena se bila jo tsa bana mama o khathetse bana ba ka mama o khathetse hantle tla bolelle bana
o betsa le jo ka setlhare
a kre la so ditse ba ka di BVD tsena le nku tse reti tsena le nku le tsuenya
Dr. Nkuki na nethapo a ka re kuite mo BVD
o so ditse mo hlabile le nku kwana ha kena mo sa kena ka di complain yo bana ba mama o khathetse fanda go ra ke batle le a lekela ntshwara hantle tla buile bana
o betsa
o
buella
o di BVD
o buella mo nku BVD
ke bobedi ya boraro maphosa nthe sa pamba the tlang gore batho ante ba faile ha ba se ba qeta o nyalana ke a boraro ya ke a hore when batho ba se ba qeta o nyalana ne di ba bang re good from John re sa ipreparele o thola gore you are good being a girlfriend but you sa ipreparela to be a wife now how fitla the role tsa a girlfriend le tsa wife dia fapana ha wa utlwa maphosa
ai doctor
babang ba good because the sad part gore a re practice into o tholo ro batla o nyalo but o practice into o motho mme you are a lady you are but you are practice how qalele o practice how tshaketse boyfriend how tsatlele o mo treater jwale ka a husband lo wena le obuti you don't practice ona jwalo mara ke batla o nyalo let me start to behave like as a husband to my partner no le treata ile mjolo na jola problem e ke when now little commitment ha le se qeta o nyala na jola ke mane mo ile botata because you are not used to be a wife ko na jola go batla go change today o ba a wife and to behave and to do things
se le kara
nyalo
Dr. Kido ibua le Dr. Chomani wa re gona le mosadi o ileng mosadi o nyetsweng mara ele ngwana a se lenyalo bona le monna o bile o no sa go pula doctor mara ka go pula
go pula ke bang tate Chomani that is my boss rena le batho ba batla ngonyalo mara so start le practice gore o tsantsa behave jwang so start next and now that is why re fitla manyalo the responsibility tsa manyalo di fa mathata kona realize gore mare lenyalo le difficult ke gopola my ex wife wa bobedi ne ke mo jwetsa ntho because ha ne ke sheba background ya gala e jwalla fela and most ya basadi ba jwetseng le bana ba batho ba le bile ba west because e ba di girlfriend mosebetsi wa bona ko please batho not to play the role a group please antato ya tlanga sa hlapile hae ya tlanga sa ntsa le school when you don't do anything ha ntato no ha tswa le lapeng la o tlo mo fa tshebeletso yena o fa tšhelete le arwana problem is when only used to that o tloetse bophelo bona ba o ba girlfriend e sebeletsang ka ditshebeletso tsa ka moreng now o botshwanela o tlo ba a wife ke man mo sa kgoneng because now how I try how to be the responsibility of a wife. That is why Baba Ngata ba qakana njwale lenyalo because una le good being a girlfriend ka boyfriend mara want to be a wife ya mohlola because the responsibility of a wife the girlfriend di fapana and about to buy practice
Dr. Mila tsarona go bona mentsia kore a kitse pala mana ha ke ntse ke sheba go tla go ka godimo gao ka mo gotle mentsi ka teng ke batla go leka gore ke betse ka bonako ba lla ka thapo doctor thapo ya go nna se go mo ka thapo motho ke bone molaetsa mo ngwareng a re 3 November le o timfo e ka le bua ka nna straight a re ke na le motho and ke na le 3 years le so ex ya ka o dirile account ka mabitso aka and jwale motho wa ka ha sa ntshepa ex ile le maina mo Facebook account ka maina ga na motho ga mo tshepe ga mo tshepe ha itse arena ha itse direng o batla go tswa
tsorsana ha ba sa mmatli I'm sorry abo approve le no re ka nete
ke serious motho ke le kena antifisang o tsele di account tsa
I'm sorry e be back mara sa mtsori sa ilukisa ka molemo ka gola
o tla Dr. Beslu
ke tsamo bot nna ke batla o nthagolele ever since ke jola ha ke na any boyfriend e kileng ka e kile ya ngata ka lerato leo ene the relationship ntse ke bileng le tsona ha ke na anybody ke lengwa ke le ka modusa bohloko ever since le nna fela ke utlwang ke utlwiswa bohloko so ke batla go tseba gona jale e jalo taba ke e jwang cause ke gona fana ka lerato but nna in return ke sokola o thola lerato.
Okay
ba motho doctor
yeah o fana ka lerato
mara ha krei
potso gore ba communicate lerato le ba le batlang lerato le communicate. That is why I need to tell you ke rata on rate jwang mpo e tshwantse ko jwetse gore
ke rata for on rate
jwang le wena ko jwetse o rata
ke o ko rate
jwang wa bona ke engwe ya dintho not unless like communicate mara motho a ye something else ne but always most of the time manyalo le di relationship we don't communicate mo yetsa di assumption o tlo thola gore motho yena malinde la ka mmotsa butiane o lo utlwa re tlo re hesa ke morata so wa ke batle nix go ke morata fail mosotso ene yana system e sebedisang morata o tlo thola re winga ile the best system
the best
system and how is a communicator or le batla o ratana jwang you cannot blame a person as a rata ka tselo expecting ka because ale communicate that is why read bits and love languages come on someone hona le motho a reng o feel or o ratu ha mo rekela di rose ha mo feel the rose o mo feel gift mo feel chocolate
o sharp kore o bonsele
now if I get mo rata di chocolate nna ke tlo dula ko haka eno no tla bora hamarong ha ka fela go 100 kanthi
ke love language ya ka ke botsa mo wena
me ke re ke o rata kanthi no wena ha ke o fail because se lo batlang go rata ka ona ha ke tsebe
ha wena ka dula haka wena
o ka motho a tine o ntse ikangile
mo doctor baba
monyaka
baba mbare doctor ba re teach a person how to treat you wena o tla mo treat go rute gore go rate ya
wa bona go
le nna ke tla go yes teach a person how to treat you
yes wa bona go tla ka back to tabenyana re mosebetsi marriage ke mosebetsi because jole ke man and it's a business mo tshwantse jole re sebetsi. That is why batho ba tshwantse dintho tsena tshwantse ba di communicate man mjolo mo mamedi. It's very important to share mjolo man or this person of nepa ka pa o fail because re communicate re commit ka batho ba o tla thola hore o mjolo mane ona sontso bona di red flag ona sontso bona marena sia mara ka baka la lerato mo nka o motlisa phelong ba wa commit ka yena
wa sangena
ntate
Dr. President
ntatino nna ke nagana ga motho motho ka bona o mogata tati motho ke na ta bontsha so tsulo ka go tsamaya ena o bona o lekela mogata ra ka tse tsa di puo tsa hai ke na tla o tana o lekela mogata go ya pele ka polo ke go ga o tse mo mogatana ke nagana bjalo ngati
umpa e gatise mo dimga mo ntse re bua teng voice note ya mara fela ke gone go utlwa re are o gona go bua le motho and then nna go ntse ke gone ta gona go bona for na wa morata ka pa morate na
ya ke nne a ke le bitse hona le di litse ke first love
at first sight
yeah di a etsa
okay
but hona le tseo tsa bo learning to love a person ke to learn
how to learn
yes hona le tse jwalo but now yeno ke yone etsa gore batho ba qeteletse ba lahlana because hore ke lene ho rata ke ha e bona le dintho tseo ke di ratang ka wena.
Okay.
And most of the time manyalo marata runa jwalo ha se nnete ya etsa la re le kopane first time be le ratana but ha etsa le always most of the time ke ba attracted but akso rata ke tlo rata ka baka la dintho tseo ke o lentsona. Then the problem when ke ba attracted but ha ke fihla wena o bo sina tsona ka pa la se go blela re baby ke rata 1 2 3 bona mpatso ke man mo fumana jole se le botata mo le mo filo right corner
Dr. ke batla re tse e mebedi ya bofelo melaetsa re ba re gona go shubokanya ke bona supana go re bile ene me ka pa P4
Tatinobi ntho e kotsi doctor ai kotsi ha bohloko o tswa mo o le destroyed how a person don't know kana le motho dilemo you were not aware okay when you were in love empa motho yana a sa jole le wena bo a sa ratane le wena kwa yena a se le motho a ntse a batla a batle dilemo hati ho 8 years a ntse a batla yo no vi soka
Doctor
mantswa ka o qetela e ba tshwantse ba yetsa yana na ke tlo bua nnete when batho bohle ba ha o kutlwana le motho hona le batho ba computer le bana mara ba bone
okay
keep it
as I believe Doctor we tlhalositla
okay mpo if you ungwanana kapa moshimane when ke jola le wena I need to know that ona le batho ba ke computer le bona
mara ke se ba bona
mara o tlo ba hlaisa problem it's when onahana or umu kapa I mean ke nahana hore ha ona competition wa tsona ntse ngore Adama file responsibility ya UF ko ban Adama na nahana we one a sa tsebona le motho a bitswa Mr Snake
adula relax
a unku
yes doctor
a sa tsebona le motho a bitswang Mr Snake una le Noah
ai
Adama failed the responsibility a sa tsebona there's a competition Adama na nahana o qetetsa o nothi yona ke gopo ya ha that is why Adama ba absent abasiko until Noah isebedisa monyetla people they don't know really competition now that is why mo mamelo ka rata when ona le motho jolang le tlo go tsotse mamelo ka rata o competition hona le batho ba teng bao o tlo thola ra ho ba tsebi ba ntseng ba mo batla kapa ba o ile ena ntseng ba consider now the only thing e re hlolang ke wina batho rona mboy o kama ku win motho no sa le teng mo win jwale e be wa ha
ska relax
the problem and le basadi le banna and that competition that I fela ore ntho mjolo ntse kenela le manyalo nganyane because hona le batho ba tlo thola hore ba ntse ba hona le basadi ba batlang monna wa hao ka sekgo and ba o monna wa hao le ena ba rata ha ra basadi bana ba rata but ba tshwere ke commitment ho wena. Now you can imagine if mo faila antsa na le batho ba mo ratang go tlo etsala
doctor.
The same thing that is happening. Banna ba bangata ba relaxed and ubo relax la o so bona re se mara mosadi wa ka o motle and o mona re yena e fela lo tlola tsela ena aka dikoloi tsa ka hata ba ta o tlotile bonka camping chair e bile tabule e sna le poko tone kinyang drink una di camping chair tsa tabule. The problem we don't know work haretibu wina di partner ratwa and winning your partner that doesn't to qetela mohlango le qeta mo thola every day you do things the same way nthetsa re thole di promotion ke mesebetsi. It is because every day we are working hard and the more we sebetsa the more we promote
business.
Business,
doctor.
Business. Business. So the problem about current relationship, you relax. You told her just because you turn a how I say relax it. You fail about the responsibility. How to
the love language? Next.
Competition is too tight. Mummy Dagaratan. Manjoka Katela, you told some. You can like relationship about Lignalo, literally soccer ball, soccer game. Soccer game. The player can 11. Chiefs can about 11. Pirates can about 11. When now one about to ground, the reality grab 11 fella. When about to team bench. Who are waiting for that opportunity when about Palangayon. That is why the player will take a ground. Ratang Polo, Bangore, Honadi, the substitute that the Bapala Capel Tabanaka fella because this about replace you. The Bapala, who want to play a Bapala 90 minutes, but Ronald said you land into Bapala 45 minutes or something about Mutam Samu. Number 9. When I play take a Ramanyalo, Balibets in role with someone. When I play a second relationship, Dilibet or Dito some more. Willibet. Lino request and no Pamicampa or Peru on a rock or Sanita Halitan and the cant. Utozu week, how much ever try to go to the Mission Corre. Straight on alle moto. No, I can't do the motor carabina. I will be see it's habits. Oh, my. Part of my Copa Farragut no more than I if you can know what the competition is, and a competition I feel so long can tell
I hear the doctor.
Not unless the difficult stations are whole as a competition affair. But when Lindsay Mosadwa wants a shabalank, Lemon and Shabalank, and a little leading to the Ratahang, because Renalid into the Ratu and Kibasadi Baba. Jolakalu and Amasadi own Ratakan to this, Basadi Badi Ratan, Badi Bon and Lebon. And if you fail me, you are creating an opportunity for Basadi Bar. Yaw never create an opportunity. O create le motho monyeka wa hao ska ok
doctor ke tepele doctor pele ga mo 07 o ke do pressure ka le go kerekeng doctor ke pressure ka no re monna o tla bo motsea o mo ratile kana o sa o itse banka ntwe ke mang
ai
wena o motsea mona no doctor 07
mo mamet 202 9079 ke nomoro tsa ka personal number saka 073 202 9079 mo mamedu ka rata ke dipita la petela 073 202 9079 tsedi mo mamedu ka rata ke 0 tsa office tsaka ke 051 011 4977 051 011 4977 mamedu ka rata ke anyadisa ke tsa counseling ke dietsa ka ofela primary counseling ka ofela ke dietsa ha o mpatla ka ntetsa mo ka ba nrumele voice note le no ka bua le nna o nrumele voice note ha ke tswa mona wena mamedu ka ratang ya o qetela ka sonta ke kenela 6 o kalama taxi phase 3 kapa phase 7 fela go ya kerekeng ya Dr November di taxi tla o theola o ka re fela ke ya kerekeng ya Dr November 10 e tshweu ba tla o theola teng mamedi ke na ka 10 o'clock dindo tsena tsa manyalo ke a di thasha mo o ka tla mo mamedi go re joina ke a di thasha mo mamedi la kala bohlano le ke Vrydag lekker Vrydag mamedi ka 9 o'clock man mo ke jang skete sa ka se matine ke jile ka yola ke ntse cross top e bitso cross top
crop top
le ke na ke cross top yo ana thele mo mamedi wa ka rata ke ntse crop top yo then ka lekker Vrydag ka 9 o'clock mo ne ke ba ka ona tsebile tsa ka di kamoreng straight ha ba nshebele ka manta ka 6 o'clock o mo date the right pick ha ba ngodise
bole roe ba ngodisa doctor bole roe ba batle doctor
ba balesa mo mamedi lo wena if o batla ya dating le nna o ka tla mamedi wa karata gore na o interested le nna kapa you not interested o ka tla mo founela dinomoro tse la kapa WhatsApp le dinomoro tse la tsa 079 083 3833 079 083 3833 mamedi ha re kopaneng modimo le bless
doctor o itse engwe ya right pick ke rata even if la motho a sa batle Dr November mpho ka na iponela yena mo right pick
yes
doctor ke le bo
thank you my boss
mo teng mhlekasi utsa male motlhagisi wa thulagane le rwa mkhumbeni ba tsa malona go tloka ura bolseno fitla
ba sa ba tsa mabala ba betse
le rwa ke ka mona doctor ke iposa na se motlhagisi a ke se tla utlwa ke mo
le rwa yana o ikentse general dealer ba tso
o sia o tsa
Saka